Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're using Windows 11 without activation, you've probably noticed that the themes option is grayed out, and you can't change your theme the normal way. But don't worry, in this video I'll show you a simple trick to change your Windows 11 theme without activating it. Let's get started. Alright, so here's the trick. Even though the personalization settings are locked, the theme files are still available inside your system. Follow these steps carefully. First, open File Explorer. Now go to your C drive, usually labeled as local disk C:. Next, open the Windows folder. Scroll down and find a folder called Resources. Open it. Inside Resources, you'll see a folder named Themes. Double-click on it. Here's where all the default Windows themes are stored. Now, just double-click on any .theme file, like arrow.theme or dark.theme, and instantly, your Windows theme will change. Double-click on any theme file. The settings window might open, just close it. That's it. Even without activation, you can switch between themes easily using this method. That's how you fix the Themes Grayed Out issue in Windows 11 and change your theme without activation. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more useful tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.